Okay, so how can you manage customer tickets and issues inside our Google Sheets CRM template, our Sheetify CRM? Well, once you've arrived inside your Sheetify CRM, simply navigate down to Tickets and Issues, and that's going to take you here. Now, you can only access Tickets and Issues, this feature inside Sheetify CRM 4.0. Okay, so let's add our first ticket by adding a ticket name. For example, let's say that I run a web design agency and one of my clients has just reached out and said their website form is having issues. So I've gone ahead and added that issue in here. And as you can see, once you add a ticket, you'll see this notification down here. Let's navigate back up to this ticket and go ahead and add an account name associated to this issue. This is the client's account here, the client's business. And as you can see, the contact name will automatically be generated that's associated with this account. Go ahead and add the ticket status. I'm going to select new issue, and you can see the date created has automatically been added, and you can see this notification down here. And every time we change this ticket status, you can see that the ticket status change column over here will be updated. That way you can see the date of the last ticket status change. Then navigate over to source, and then select your source down here, as well as the priority, and then the assigned ticket owner, and I'm going to add my name down here. We can also navigate across and add notes. Now, if we navigate over to settings and navigate across and locate ticket and issues, this is where you can add your ticket statuses down here. You can also add the ticket source, and you can add other mediums down here. Now, we can also navigate over to dashboard and scroll down and locate team performance search. Here you can select the start period, the end period, and the team member down here. And remember, you can add all your team members under settings. Now for this period here, and for this particular team member, I can see all completed tasks, transactions completed, sales revenue, as well as resolved tickets. Also, if we navigate across and locate customer snapshot, you can see all your contacts here. This is just a test sheet, so we currently do not have any customers. And then if we navigate across, you can see all the total issues that are active. So here under customer snapshot, you'll see all your valuable customers, those that have completed a transaction with your business. And that way you can keep an eye on important issues that those customers have. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in terms of managing tickets, issues inside your Sheetify CRM. If you're interested in learning more about this Google Sheets CRM template, what I'll do is add the appropriate resources down below in the description for you to check out.